Hey Connexit family, what's up? Today in this video I'll be explaining you how you can actually take your WhatsApp conversations and store inside Google Sheet. So I'm going to do this using a tool called WA Web Plus. So WA Web Plus is for all those who don't know what is WA Web Plus is. So it actually gives like power up your WhatsApp experiences by providing all the business tools. For example, I'll just show you the tools, what kind of tools they actually provide. So it's a Chrome extension basically, and you can do all these things. So you can blur your recent messages and contacts and do a lot more things, and you can actually add a smart replies for your WhatsApp conversation. So try WA Plus tool, guys. So I'll be showing you how to integrate WA Plus, and in this particular use case basically, so whenever there is someone actually register for your webinar using WhatsApp, and how you can actually store those data inside Google Sheet. So let's get started how we can achieve this using Connexit. So I'll start with creating connects. So as WA Web Plus is an webbook enabled app, so you don't need to authorize those apps, capture their webbook response. So I'll select the trigger as new lead. So whenever there is a new lead inside WA Web Plus, you have to copy the webbook URL and paste inside your WhatsApp Chrome extension provided by WA Web Plus. So you have to click on business tools and webbooks and add a new webbook, and you can leave all this webbook as an outgoing and webbook method as get. So remember that, and also paste the webbook URL copied from Connexit and select what is your payload you are actually wanted to send to Connexit. So I'll be saving all these details. Now you have to do one more thing, that like you have to create a smart reply for like to enable your webbook. So what kind of a keyword you are actually sending it, and for triggering your webbook for. So I'll be adding a reply, and you can actually mention the name. So you can take this as a keyword. So whenever somebody apply your keyword, so you can actually transfer those data. That is basically whenever somebody converts on this particular using this keyword, so their data will be automatically entered into Google Sheet. So now I am going to use the keyword as Connexit demo, and you have to select the reply type as webbook. So then only it will be enabled and sending it to Connexit webbook. And you can actually type it's a default reply, or you can actually create a one more reply. Thanks for choosing Connexit demo. So I actually created an default reply for this keyword. So whenever somebody converts as Connexit demo, so that it actually triggers an webbook URL. So now I will say that like allow this reply for auto reply for groups. So whenever somebody do it in your groups, so you can actually take that message, and I'm saying this as message must match the old keyword. So this is for the particular demo. I'm just taking to match the old keyword webinar registration thing. So I take in as entire text. So I'm just selecting this old keyword, and I'm just quoting the sender message. So this is whenever I want to reply. So now I'm going to save the reply type. So now the conversation has been set up. So before you actually send a message, what you have to do is you have to capture the webbook response. So this will enable Connexit to capture the webbook response. So I'm clicking on capturing webbook response and send the data from my mobile as Connexit demo. So I just typed and send as Connexit demo. So it will automatically quote with this particular reply, and also we receive the data inside Connexit. So you can see that all the user details, so which we actually selected over there, it will be enabled from here. So all these user details which is been, we actually selected the payload, so all those details will be entered inside Connexit. So now what I do is I will go ahead and use Google Sheet to save the records. So I just selected a Google Sheet and select as create a new spreadsheet row and select the spreadsheet as Connexit demo sheets, and I can choose the sheet. So now I will enter all the name, so the username and also the phone number, and also the webinar name is basically the contact chat name, chat content we can say. So I'm just going to connect as webinar name as chat content. So this is my Google Sheet, so I don't have any record as of now. So now I will go ahead and click on test and review. This will send all these details to Google Sheet. So I'm going to do that. Yes, the data has been sent to Google Sheet. So you can see that the same will be reflected inside my Google Sheet. So now I will go ahead and publish the connects. So my connect is published successfully. So now I'll be using other numbers. So this, you can see that this is a group basically. So I'm just conversing with the group. Now I'm going to do in the group itself. So I'll be typing it again with another number. So here I'm just testing the exact conversation. My connects are set now. So I'm going to use my phone to send the data. So now I'm sending the data as a keyword, you can see with another name. So that is Connexit demo, and also the response will be instant. So now any request on Connexit webbook from WA Web Plus triggers, so this will actually create a spreadsheet row on Google Sheet. So this is what it will going to happen. So now we will go to Google Sheet and see for a record. Yes guys, so you can see that, so my name and the phone number and also the webinar name, it will be automatically added inside my Google Sheet. So this is how you can actually turn your WhatsApp conversation into like a Google Sheet row. I'm just using a use case as a webinar registration thing. So now I got like those who actually enter anything in my WhatsApp group, so it will be automatically register themselves for my webinar. So this is how you can do that. So whoever have any questions on this particular integration, so do let us know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a great day.